My peaceful greeting to all of you. This is the best response against a video from an Indian reporter with the title Save Mauritius Hindu. I'm not defending any community, neither the Hindu, nor the Muslim, nor the Christians. There are many cultural organizations for this. I am only defending Mauritius, the image of Mauritius, the beautiful image of Mauritius to the whole of humanity. So, first of all, Mauritius is in the Global Peace Index in Wikipedia, is ranked 20th place, on the 20th place, Mauritius. So, I'm dreaming to make Mauritius among the best, the most peaceful countries in the world. So we are making effort at least one place at a time, from 20th place to 19th place. Okay, but with such a video, Mauritius might drop from 20th place to 21st place, or can drop many places. So I'm making a duty as a president of association La Voice of the People, La Voix du Peuple, a registered association, registration number 10,146. So I'm taking the responsibility to defend this. First of all, I wish to remind you about the history. Our great grandparents chose to leave India to come to work in Mauritius as laborers. Why? Why they left India to come to Mauritius? Because there were many problems in India. The problem is still right there. I will present the facts before you so that you can see. So according for me, I think our great grandparents made good decisions to leave India to come to work in Mauritius. Okay, I will present the facts before you. As I said, in the Global Peace Index in Wikipedia, I'm not saying by myself, all the facts you can go and check it out by yourself. Go and check it out by yourself. Global Peace Index Wikipedia, Mauritius ranked 20th place, India 136. Corruption Perception Index Wikipedia, Mauritius 56th place, India 78th place. Ease of doing business, World Bank, Mauritius 20th place, India 77th place. Henley Passport Index Wikipedia, Mauritius ranked 31st place. We can easily enter in 145 countries. India 79th place, only 61 place. So our passport is more than 2 times better than India. So you can check it out. www.worldpopulationreview.com. India, you check for the most racist country in the world. India, the first place. India, the most racist country in the world. When you will check on www.topbest.news, the richest countries in the world, Mauritius 61st place, India 122. www.thetop10.com. 10 dirtiest countries in the world. India is the first. India, the most dirty country in the world. So, I think you, Indian reporter, you should make an effort together with your Prime Minister, Mr. Modi. Please go and save India. This is my response to you. This is my response to you. Save India, Indians. So here we are not communalists. Here in Mauritius, you can see people living in peaceful harmony. I'm myself making an effort to form the Unity Cultural Center, where even people with minority of two are represented. Here you can see even the minority Chinese community, they are living in peaceful harmony. They are well settled in the city of Port Louis, and they contribute to the betterment of the society. So here in Mauritius, we are living peacefully. So please don't ever use this dirty politics upon us. We don't know if this is coming from for the coming election, if you are being paid for this. So this is a dirty game. Please, please save India, Indians. Please, my peaceful greeting to you.